Hello, today's video is about the PXL 2000 video camera. 33 years ago today, on October the 16th, 1988, my parents gave me some money for Christmas and I bought this camcorder for an early Christmas present. There's only one good thing I have to say about this camera. It only cost $100. But it sucked because it could only record in black and white. In 1988, if you wanted a color camcorder, you had to pay $800 to $1,000 for it. Now this camera uses high bias audio cassettes, and on a 90-minute high bias audio cassette, you could only record 5 minutes per side. That's another thing that sucked. I tried using normal bias tapes in it once or twice and they wouldn't work. Back then, $100 could only buy you a black and white camera. But now 50 or 60 bucks can buy you a smartphone, and you can use that for a video camera like I'm doing right now. But if I'd been making this video in 1988, I would have been using the PXL 2000 and this video would be in black and white. But even though this camera was not very good, I did enjoy it. Well, this has been my video. Thanks for watching.